Authentication is a common task to be dealt with when scraping data. Valuable information is usually hidden behind the login process, so you should be capable to pass it. Let's explore how that's done with Selenium. Let us once again use a good old quotes website for this tutorial. Create a new module called sessions.py and use our typical Selenium template. Navigate to quotes-to-scrape.com and locate the login button. Use Selenium to click on it. Wait for the new page to load, locate both inputs, and send them any two words using the send keys function. Quotes site accepts a combination of any words as credential. Hit the login button with the Selenium at the end. Also, just for testing purposes, prove that you are logged in. Use the code you see on the screen to prove that you are logged in. To execute the script, run a command like this in terminal. Seems simple, right? But it's not quite optimal. You have to log in every time you're starting the scraping session, as Selenium always starts from a clean slate. Or is it? I'll show you how to change that behavior. In order to skip the authorization, you'd need to store your session in a local file. I'm typically using a template like this to save cookies into a file if it doesn't exist, or use it if it does. Now you can delete the authentication code from our Python script and prove that it's still working. This method is helpful for the sake of speeding up your regular scraping tasks. For example, let's say you're willing to scrape a site on a daily basis. Instead of logging in each time, you can use a custom scraping profile in your browser to have a session up and running until it is expired by the target site. Be cautious about this method, as some sites would block automation scripts. I'm using such methods typically when I need to perform a single request to the site every once in a while. In later tutorials, I'll also demonstrate to you how to make your script behave more like a human, so it would be possible to decrease the chance of ban. That's all. Thanks.